Guys, today I'm going to unclog the sink drain. So from last few days we are experiencing slowness in the water drainage from the underneath the sink, and it's a pretty standard setup what we have. Sink over here, water comes all the way from this pipe and then it drains out from this pipe. So basically, and in addition to this I have this additional pipe which is coming from the dishwasher. So because the water is not going properly, draining out properly from this pipe all the way outside, the water is going towards inside the dishwasher and it is getting accumulated over there. So there is a U-trap over here underneath the sink drain. It's a standard U-trap. So I am thinking that this U-trap is kind of clogged, and because of that water is not going out. So that is one step. If that is not the case, and if this U-trap is not clogged, then the blockage is somewhere else. Now this pipe is, even though I said actually it is going outside, it is not going outside. Underneath this kitchen we have the basement. So this pipe is at 90° down and then going from basement all the way out. So let's first remove this U-trap and see that whether the blockage is here and it solves the problem, or other if not, then I have to go downstairs and open up the basement pipe to see that where the blockage is somewhere else. So important thing, first thing first, basically before you start working or before opening this U-trap, make sure that all the valves, inlet valves which are bringing in the water to the faucet, those are switched off. So this one is switched off and then the other one is switched off. I am keeping this, I'm going to switch off this one too. So all the water inlets are switched off to coming to this kitchen sink. And now I'm going to remove, and in addition to this I've used this water, use this towel to capture any water dripping from this U-trap. And in addition to this I'm going to keep this container to collect the water. So let's open this U-trap to see that whether this is blocked or something else is going on. So I'm opening this one. And then the same thing on this side also. And as soon as I open this one, the water is going to drip out from this U-trap and I have to collect that one, making sure that it is not going to wet the surface. Okay, let's see that whether there is a blockage in this U-trap. And I see it is kind of clean from both the ends, so that means the issue is not in the U-trap, but issue is somewhere else. And the issue could be from here to the basement pipe, somewhere on that 90° turn, the blockage could be there. So let's go downstairs and see that where that pipe is coming and what are our options to clean up that blockage. Okay, let me show you how the setup looks in the basement. So the water pipe which is coming out from this kitchen sink is, you could see this pipe over here coming from the sink and going all the way in the basement to outside. So I'm suspecting the blockage is somewhere here in this at this 90-degree angle, or somewhere upstairs. So my plan is to cut the pipe over here and add a T-joint, and then see that whether I could find out backage is on the right side or on the left side. Mostly the blockage is on the kitchen side, where the pipe is coming out. So let's first cut this pipe over here, and make sure that whenever you do this kind of things, keep things handy so that you can collect the water coming out from this pipe once you start cutting it. So I have plenty of containers lined up to collect the water coming out after cutting the pipe. So I cut the basement pipe, drainage pipe, a 1-inch piece, and I could see that there is a lot of built up inside the pipe. Because of this, the water is not flowing properly or not draining out properly from this pipe. If I show you, there is kind of this much built up is there. So the plan is now to use the auger to clean up this one and remove the blockage from the pipe. Once this is done, I'm going to attach this connector, flexible connector, to join these two pipes, so that in future, in case if I have to again clean up this blockage, it's easy to remove this connector rather than cutting the pipe. Drain clogged is clean, and the drainage pipe is connected using this flexible connector, and the water is now flowing from one end to the other end without any problem. Simple fix, but in future, in case if there is a problem, I can just remove this flexible connector and clean the drainage pipe and connect it. So this is a hassle-free maintenance solution.